Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off accessibility on Samsung M35 device. Well, accessibility features may introduce changes to the device behavior or interface that can impact how you interact with the device. Okay, so turning off accessibility features prevent unintended actions or behaviors that may occur due to the presence of enabled accessibility settings. Okay, turning off accessibility features also help conserve battery power and optimize the device resource usage for improved efficiency. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. To start, open please the settings menu on your device. So here, please scroll down to find accessibility option and tap on it. Well, within this menu, you can select interaction and dexterity. So disable the assistant menu by pressing the designed button to turn off this feature. Okay, by following the steps, you can effectively turn off the accessibility button on your device. This process also ensures that the assistant menu is deactivated, providing a streamlined user experience without the accessibility features enabled. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off accessibility on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.